First of all, assalamu alaikum and good evening, everyone. It is so good to be here with all of you tonight. 15 years ago, Somali Hope Foundation started with big dreams. With your support, we're proud to stand 15 years celebrating hope, education, and the unstoppable, of course, Somali spirit and all Canadians who live in this great city.
We started small, very small. Family barbecue, garage sale, sport tournament event, bake sale. And tonight, looking around this room, I see many heroes. So many compassionate hearts and hope. You are all the true foundation of the Somali Hope.
Every dollar, every sacrifice, and every single donation and everything that we've accomplished was because of you. 15 years later, we have over 1,013 students. And we couldn't do that without nights like this.
Somali Hope Foundation is always dreaming bigger and better. We are always working to give our children not just the basic, but the full opportunity to reach their highest potential.
This journey has been about all of us, as I said. So we want to thank all of you and recognize all the contributions you've made. Thank you to the volunteers, sponsors, and every single person who have supported us over the years.